We were last week, the book of Ephesians. Just go right one book, and that's where we'll be this morning, in the book of Ephesians, and we'll be reading out of chapter 2. Now, before I get to the text and to the second part of our series here in the month of August, I want to talk to you just for a few minutes about what's coming up here in about a month from this Wednesday night. On the 14th of September, we begin our fall Wednesday night Connect group studies. And what we're going to do each week until then, we're going to introduce each one of the studies that we'll be presenting here on Wednesday nights. Now, you know, most of you know that we have a 6 o'clock meal, and the elders are going to be talking today about how we can upgrade that meal a little bit and keep it affordable for families. And so we're going to work on that this afternoon. But one of the classes I want to tell you about is for couples with children. If you've been in, let's see, this would be Jonathan and Patrick's small group. If you're in that age group and you're in the midst of raising children, we have a very special class planned for you. We've invited some guests to come in and facilitate that study this fall. Friends of mine and Carla's, their names are Carol and Steve Austell, longtime friends. Steve has been a longtime elder at Grace Evangelical, where I served for over 15 years as a pastor, and they've been dear, close friends of ours. They have raised 5 kids now, 5 adult children. Now they have grandchildren, and they're really. Carla would agree with this. They're one of the most godly couples that we have in our lives. And they have absolutely done an excellent job raising their children. Now, they've had their struggles. Satan has tried to batter them as he has tried to batter us. But we are looking so forward to having Steve and Carol come to facilitate that study. And the topic is gospel-centered parenting. And here's some of the things that you'll be talking about as parents in this study. Lesson 1 is trusting God